In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update Google Chrome 2025, stay secure, and improve performance. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the menu without any delay. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner of the window. You will see the three-dot menu icon there. Click that icon to open Chrome's main menu. When the menu appears, move your cursor down until you find Help. This section contains useful browser information and support options. Hover over or click Help, depending on how your version of Chrome displays the menu. Then, from the options that appear, select About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will usually begin checking for updates automatically. This is where the browser shows you whether you are already up to date or if a newer version is available. If an update is found, Chrome will start downloading and installing it for you. You do not need to search manually beyond this point. While the update is being installed, give it a few moments to finish. The time can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Once the process is complete, you may see a button that says Relaunch. If that appears, click it to restart Chrome and apply the update fully. Before relaunching, it is a good idea to save anything important you are working on in open tabs, just in case a page needs to be refreshed after the browser restarts. If Chrome says it is already up to date, then you are all set. That means you are already using the latest version available on your device. That covers everything you need to know.